Hello and welcome to Mark and Kelly's Trips, Tips and Things. If you like holidays or reviews or restaurants and things like that, please consider subscribing. And you can also catch us on our live every Tuesday and Friday at 6 p.m. Where are we today? Today we are at Milk Train.
We're on the Milk Train. So Milk Train is a ice cream parlour here in Covent Garden. You can just see Covent Garden there in the background.
Yep, and you've got Jubilee Market, which is just there.
Which is there. There's Jubilee Market. I'll just zoom in. So it's right in the heart of Covent Garden. So today we're going to be testing out the Milk Train.
We're going to be trying the Milk Train. Come with us and have a look at these ice creams. Cool. So here we are, we have the ice cream, take a pan down so they can see.
Look at that. Now what is this one? Explain this one. Now Kelly bought this on a whim. She was going to go for a different type of ice cream, but she saw this, the Candy Floss tree. Look at the size of it. Do you want to hold it up so people can see?
It's amazing.
So it is, what chocolate did you get? Or what ice cream did you get, I should say?
Rose.
Rose. Oh, you went for rose.
Yeah.
Now what's cool about it, it does look like a plant pot. You've got the tree stump, which is actually a flake, Cadbury's flake. And you've got the, obviously, the Candy Floss tree.
It's got like some cookie crumble.
Oh, let's have a look. Oh, look
as
at
the
that.
soil.
Now, it's very difficult to zoom in here purely because obviously the Candy Floss is so large, but you can see in there, those are actually Oreo pieces, and you can see it dripping, but it looks amazing. And I've gone for the Choo churro. Again, I've got the Candy Floss on the outside, and inside you can see the little churros on the top there. I can't wait to try both of these.
Amazing.
So we're going to delve into these now and give us your art review.
Okay, so here we go.
Now, what's unique about this is they do here in the Milk Train, they do put Candy Floss on the outside. I've never had, or never known an ice cream parlour do Candy Floss with the ice cream, so this is new. And you've also got tiny little churro pieces on here. Okay, so I'm going to delve into that. So this is the ice cream and the churro and those little bits of biscuit as well. And do you know what? I'm going to have a little bit of some of the Candy Floss to go with that as well.
Why not?
Those churros are crunchy. Really good. They've got a real cinnamon taste to them. Now, if you're American, you'll try Golden Grahams, which have got the cinnamon and they taste remind me of that. I have them in the States. That's really good. Real crisp cinnamon flavour. Today is actually my birthday, so this is my little birthday treat. But to have Candy Floss and ice cream together, and I've not eaten at all, this is my first meal of the day. This is a nice sugar hit.
You're going to be running around London, I think.
This is my happy place. That cinnamon ice cream is delicious. Really good. I'm going to let Kelly do her treat, and then we're going to do a little swap.
Oh. Okay, so here we are, we've got mine. This is rose ice cream, so I don't know how it's going to taste.
Oh, I love rose ice cream. Now, rose ice cream, to me, you're hiding your face with the Candy Floss. So come around the side, come around the side. So rose ice cream. tastes to me a bit like Turkish Delight, so I'm not sure.
Yeah, I'm hoping it's going to taste more like lychee.
Alright. Look at that tree, that is amazing. Now this is their special at the moment. There we are.
This is with the rose ice cream.
This is the rose ice cream, and you've got the Oreo little bits of biscuit in there. Good?
Oh. It does taste like Turkish Delight.
Oh, wonderful. That's right up my street.
Yeah.
Love.
It really does taste like Turkish Delight.
Now, you don't have to have rose ice cream if you don't like that flavour. They have chocolate, they do vanilla from memory.
Vanilla and coconut.
And coconut. So you can have a choice of those ones if you do not like the rose ice cream. But I just think the novelty factor of that alone, it looks amazing. You tell me what person would not be tempted by that.
I wonder if these are, because they've got pink chocolate in it, I wonder if it's, ruby.
Oh, okay, what, ruby chocolate?
The ruby chocolate, yeah. The biscuit gives it a real nice crunch.
That's like mine as well. Right.
I really like it.
So we're going to do a little swapsy now and try each other's. Now, as you know, I have tried my Choo churros with the little bits of biscuit in there. I'm now going to try Ken's one.
The candy floss is in the way.
Yeah, I know. Now, if you don't mind, I'm going to take
He's going to take a piece of my candy floss. I haven't even had a piece of my candy floss.
The opportunity was there, so there's been a candy floss. Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
You've got to like Turkish Delight.
Yeah.
Rose is a very, very unique flavour. Some people like it, some people don't.
That's
I
right.
love this. This is right up my street. It's not a very, very strong flavour, but it is definitely there.
It's definitely there, yeah.
If you like Turkish Delight, you'll love this. If you don't, I would advise you for a different flavour. But that is amazing. That is so good.
Wow. I'm going to try yours now.
Well, if we do,
Oh.
out of the two, I can't decide, you know.
Really?
They're both totally different flavours. Again, this is a strong cinnamon taste. So if you like cinnamon, you'll love that. If you like the rose, you'll like that. I like both. I can't. I could quite easily have either of these and be happy.
Really?
But I'm interested in what Kenny thinks, so let's give Kenny a little go.
Yeah, I'm going to try it and see.
Okay, here we go.
I'm going to try it.
Right.
Do you know what? I'm going to try a bit of your candy floss.
Try a bit of my candy floss. This one's actually quite...
Does it have any flavour?
Do you know what? Candy floss flavour. There's no real strong flavour to it, so... So this is cinnamon ice cream and cinnamon crunch.
Before I even tasted it, I could sort of taste the cinnamon.
Yeah, you can. It has definitely a unique cinnamon flavour. You can really taste it.
Does. And I like the crunchy bits.
So the crunch, those are the crunchy churros there. Now, normally, I thought the churros would be like a donut, so very soft, but they're not. These are crunchy.
And you've got Biscoff.
Yes.
You've got Biscoff crumbles.
Oh, that's what the thing was. I couldn't place it. So it's Biscoff.
It's Biscoff crumble.
All right.
So yeah, I quite like that. But if I have to choose, it's going to be mine.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I like yours. It's nice, and I'd eat it, but I do prefer the
Kelly's
rose.
going for the rose. Now, I'm going to have a quick wander around here. It's a very, very quaint place here, the milk train. I just wanted to show you the decor here. They've got this sort of decor with these roses on the top here. They've got the little, what would I call that? The little board there. Dreams and ice cream. It's got the milk train Covent Garden, which is very much like an ode and a throwback to the Choo there, the underground. Now these are the booths you can see here. During the weekend, this place is absolutely heaving. It's very quiet at the moment, so there's no queue. So if you do come during the week, that's the perfect time to come. But the booths are quite small, and there's only 3 booths, so this place will get packed quite quickly. There's a little waiting area there, and there's a little waiting area there. So there's the counter. You go up on the left hand side there, you can see it at the top, it says order, and on the right hand side it says collect. So you pretty much, when it's full, people mill all around here, and that's where they'll wait for their ice cream, as they call them out. Because it's midweek and I've taken the day off because it's my birthday, you can pretty much have all the time you want here. This lady there, that couple there are in the booth, there's us, and there's no one here, so that's how empty it is currently here. But that's our thing on the milk train. There you are, one last look. I hope you enjoyed that. Where would you rate this in terms of the other ice creams you've tried, Parlours?
I haven't been to too many ice cream places, I've got to say.
No.
I think this is probably one of the only ice cream places that I've been to. I've had ice cream, you know, at home like Haagen-Dazs or something like that. And we normally get them when we're abroad, but again, it'll be Haagen-Dazs, so I don't really... I would rate this above some of the other the ones that we've passed in the street and just got sort of a scoop of ice cream. But yeah, this I think I would rate that above that.
Right, so just in terms of cost, so as you can see, I had the Choo churro, which is £6. But if you want the candy floss, that is extra, so that's £1 extra. However, Kelly's spring ice cream, the rose blossom tree, is £7. So, but that comes with the candy floss. But as you can see, collectively, they're both £7 each. So the ice cream is pricey, just to let you know, in terms of cost. But I've got to say, it is delicious. For me, well worth it. But this is Covent Garden, this is London, and this is the milk train, and we're going to enjoy.
So what do you think?
So final thoughts, I mean that, for me it's also the novelty factor. Look at that,
Yeah.
as a presentation, that's amazing. If a child walked past that, mum and kid, they would love that. In actual fact, as we walked past, we weren't going to come in here, but we wanted to do a final review for you just so you could see. Also, I mean look at that as well, again, the presentation's fantastic. I don't know how long these will be there. I will have to ask and see how long they're there for, but these are novelty things. So if you can, we're now in May, so do try and get to the milk train if you can to get this
Blossom tree.
Blossom tree, that's it, while it's still available. But I definitely recommend coming here if you can do. The decor of the place is so amazing. Like I say, it's right at the back of Covent Garden Market, which you can just see right there. And that's it. So I hope you like these videos. As always, please like, share and subscribe. It helps us make more videos, and we always love making videos for you guys. Plus we like to come and try places like this. Don't forget, we do our lives every Tuesday and every Friday at 6 PM, except for today, which is my birthday. But apart from that, we will always be doing our lives 6 PM and 6 PM Tuesday and 6 PM Friday every week. Until then, take care, look after yourselves, and remember, you're never too old to have fun. Bye for now.
Bye for now.